Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is my fourth part, maybe the video. I will show you some more things, some interesting and very beautiful, very pretty things here regarding the. This is one more bedroom set. Yeah, this is very beautiful, very pretty. There's a cupboard, there's a bed, everything is there. I'll show you one most beautiful, one pretty kitchen set. You'll find it here. Everything you're gonna find in the kitchen is available here. Look at the mat, the cupboard, everything with the tags. Look at the sink, chimney, everything is here with the tags, and you can buy everything which you require at your home. MashaAllah, awesome. That's a small washing machine, so pretty. The oven, fridge, everything is available here. And now you will check. This is the living room area. Awesome. Yeah, you will really like it. Look at this. Everything has a tag on that. Even those, the curtains have the tags, lamps, LEDs, everything if you see, even the books, tables, everything. One more important thing. This is study. If you want to see study, this is a very beautiful, look at the 3D dimensions there. 3D curtains you will see. So much pretty is this. 15 dirham per meter, that one. Yeah, so pretty. Table lamp, mashallah, mashallah, awesome. Really guys, if you see, Dubai is awesome. Everything is very, very pretty, beautiful. Understand, you will find out. Look at this.